Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Weiser from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with hemp rope for his jacket, as it has that bit of green tint to it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his jeans and hat done with Fury Green as the base layer. For his shirt, I went with sand yellow, which is a bit bright, but I'm hoping the wash sort of tints it back down once it goes on, and it should just put it down to where it should be with the artwork. All of the leather parts and the pick handle get done with burnt umber. Getting all of his exposed skin done, I grabbed Sunny's skin tone. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. He has some fur trim around his jacket. This all gets done with Grimy Grey, which what's in this back takes far longer than it should do, and this is probably why this guy went over my 20-minute limit. For all of his hair, I used Cold Corpse Blue, as the artwork it has that sort of blue tint to the black hair. Getting started on the highlights, I used dead flesh go over the majority of the jacket, just leaving that hemp rope in the recessed parts. To add some highlights to his jeans and the rim of his hat, I used Kobold Grey. Even though his shirt is very bright, I used pale yellow just to add a bit of highlight on the tops of the folds, just for some variation once the wash stains it down. For a quick highlight on the fur, I grabbed Elfic Flesh. The final highlight is for the leather parts, and these all get done with Cuirass leather, giving that bit of a red tint. Moving on to the metal parts, these all get done with plate armour. Getting the wash done, I gave him an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash. Finishing up, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Weiser. He ended up taking a little longer than I planned, but I feel that's partly due to me just taking my time on some parts. He's still a 24-minute mini, which is not too bad. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.